Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome. Today, yes, it's Thursday, March the 21st. Yes, 21st. Official spring. Today it's official spring, 21st of March. Anyway. We have here three regular puzzles, and those puzzles are the 3 Stars Sudoku, the 4 Stars Sudoku, and the Tectonic, aka Jigsaw Sudoku. In today's newspaper, we have also an additional. And we have 7 extra puzzles in this additional. We have the letter Sudoku, the 2 stars, the 3 stars, and the 4 stars Sudoku. 2 Jigsaw Sudokus, 1 with 4 stars, 1 with 1 star, and the last puzzle is the binary puzzle. And these puzzles I'm not interested. Total of 7 extra puzzles. I won't do them all. Only 4 of them I will solve. Why? Well, it's too much for me, time consuming, and I need the same time for uploading it to YouTube. Yeah, otherwise it will be a day job for me. Anyway, the first one is the Sudoku with 3 stars. 3 stars Sudoku. Come on. I need to position the camera. Come on. Yeah. This one will be number 8224. 8224. And before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 26 printed digits. It's a kind of indication of the difficulty level. The less printed digits, the more it will be difficult. But you cannot always say that. Sometimes you have a puzzle with a lot of pairs, a lot of hidden numbers. Then you will need more time to solve that puzzle. But for a 3 stars puzzle, usually I need for 3 stars 20 to 30 minutes. But usually the 3 stars has 25 printed digits. This one has 26, so 1 digit more. Should be at 2 stars. For 2 stars puzzle, I need 15 to 20 minutes. We'll see if this is a 2 stars or a 3 stars puzzle. Alright, so let's get started. We have a 7 in the first row, 7 in the second row, so third row only 3 place 11, 7 should be here or there. We have a 7 in this column, no 7 there, 7 in the middle column, no 7 there, so only place 11, 7 should be there. Alright. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is an 8. We have 8 in this column, no 8 in these 2 boxes. We have 8 in the second row, no 8 in that box. So 1 box left for the 8 in this big square. Should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have 2 in the third column, no 2 in this box. 2 in the second, no, correction, in the third row. So no 2 there. So the only place left for the 2 in this big square should be there. So, let me see. 2. 1 in this row, 1 in the row below. So last row, the only place left for the 1 should be there. 3 missing numbers in this big square. 1 of the missing numbers is 1. We have 1 in this column, so no 1 in these 2 boxes. 1 box left for the 1 in this big square should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. 4 numbers, the 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. The 7 and 8 is missing. 6, no, correction. We already have a 7 there. Again. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. The 7, 8, 9 is missing. 6 and 9, 6 and 9. We have a 9 in this row. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 6 goes there. 9 in this row, 9 in the middle row. So in the row above, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in this column. No 9 there. 9 should be there. Alright. And now. Alright, 6 in this column, 6 in that column, so the column between the middle column, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 1, 2, 9, 1, 2, 9. 3 missing numbers in this column. Those missing numbers are 1 is missing, 2 is missing, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, and the 9 is missing. 1, 2, 9, 1, 2, 9, 1, 2, 9, 1, 2, 9. And look, we have a 2 and a 9 in the first row. So no 2 and 9 in this box. 2 and a 9 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 2 and a 9, 2 and a 9. We have a 2 in the third row. No 2 there. 2 should be here, and then 9 goes there. So 1 digit left in the middle column for the number 1. Then let me see. How about the number 1, 1? Need a 1 here. 1, 1. 8 in this column, 8 in the middle column, so it'll come next down. Need to place level 8 should be here or there. We have 8 in this row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 2 missing numbers in this big square. The 1 is missing, the 2, the 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and a 4, 1 and a 4. Okay. 3, 5, 4. Yeah. 3, 5, 4. Let me see. 5, 5. Need a 5 here. 3, 5. Need a 2 here. Yeah, need a 5 here. Well, 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in this row, so no 5 in this box. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Now we have 4 missing numbers in this big square. 2 of those missing numbers are the 2 and the 5 in one of those two boxes in this column. So no 2 and a 5 in these two boxes. 2 and a 5 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 2 and a 5, 2 and a 5. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 5 goes there. So 1 digit left in this column for the number 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1 and 2. 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, 9 is missing. 3 and a 9, 3 and a 9. Here, 2 missing numbers for numbers 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. Let me mark those. Then we have a 9 in the third row, 9 in the first row. So the row between the second row, the only 2 places left on the 9 should be here or there. We have a 9 in the last column, no 9 there. 9 should be there. 9, 9, 9, 7, 5. Need a 5 here. Okay, here 1 and a 4. 1, 1. Need a 1 here. Need a 2 here. 2 in this row. 2 in the row below. So last row, the only 2 places left, the 2 should be here or there. We have 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be there. Need a 9 here. That means we need a 9 there. Yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4 missing numbers in the last row. One of the missing number is a 9. Here can be 9. We have a 9 in this column, so no 9 there. So 9 could be here, here, or there. We see another 9 in the third column, no 9 there. 9 in the second column, no 9 there. So the only place left for the 9 in the last row should be there. All right. Okay. 1, 1. You know, 1 there also, okay. How about Yeah. Need a 9 here. Need a 5 there. Need a 2 here. And I need a 5 there. Come on. 6, 6. 6. Wow. 2, 5. 4, 5. And then 3. And 3 here. 1, 4, 3. 1, 4, 3. 5 and a 6. 5 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 5. We have a 5 in the last column. No 5 in these 3 boxes. So the 5 in this big square could be here. Could be there. Yeah. 2, 2. Yeah, 2. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers 2. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 in these 2 boxes. We have a 2 in this column, no 2 in those 2 boxes. So the 2 in this big square could be here. Could be there. 2 in one of those 2 boxes in this row. 2 in that row. So the row between the middle row, the only 3 places left for the 2 should be here, here, or there. We have a 2 in this third column, no 2 there. 2 in the first column, no 2 there. So the only place left for the 2 should be there. Alright. And now 1, 4, 5 in the 5. 5 in this row, 5 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 5 in this column, 5 in the first column. So the column between the second column, the only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We have a 5 in the last row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. And now let me think. 1, 3, 6. 3 missing numbers in this row. Those missing numbers are: the 1 is missing, the 2, the 3 is missing, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1, 3, 6. 1, 3, 6. 1, 3, 6. 1, 3, 6. And look, we have 1 and 3 in this column. So no 1 and 3 in this box. 1 and 3 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. So 1 digit left in this row for number 6. All right. Then 1 and 4. 2 missing numbers in the middle row. For numbers 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, and the 4 is missing. 1 and 4, 1 and 4. We have a 1 in this column, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 4 goes there. 1 and 4, we have a 1 now in the first column, no 1 there. 1 should be here and a 4 goes there. 4 in the... Oh, wait. Need a 4 there. Come on. Four and a 5, we have a 4 now in the third row, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, 5 goes there. Mark those 2 boxes earlier with a 5, we have a 5 in the third row, so no 5 there. 5 should be there. So 1 box left in the first row for the 1, the 2, the 3 is missing. 1 box left in the second row for the 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. And 2 numbers left in this big square for the 1 is missing. The 2, 3, the 4, the 5, and the 6 is missing. 1 and 6, 1 and 6. Let me mark those numbers. So 1 and a 3, 1 and a 6. How about... 3, 6, 8. 3 missing numbers in this row, last row. Let me drink first. Okay. 3 missing numbers in the last row. Those missing numbers are the 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6 is missing. The 7 and 8 is missing. 3, 6, 8. 3, 6, 8. 3, 6, 8. 3, 6, 8. And look, we have 3 and a 6 in this column. So no 3 and a 6 in this box. 3 and a 6 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and 6, 3 and 6. We have a 6 in this column. No 6 there. 6 should be here and a 3 goes there. So 1 digit left in the last row for number 8. 8. Wait. 3 3 in the third column, 3 in the second column. So in the first column, the only place level 3 should be there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the most. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, and the 7 is missing. 4 and 7, 4 and 7. We have 7 in the second column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 4 in this column, 4 in the column next. So in the last third column, the only place level for the 4 should be here. 2 numbers left in this big square for the most. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, the 5. 6 is missing. And the 7 is missing. 6 and the 7, 6 and the 7. We have a 6 in this row. No 6 there. 6 should be here and the 7 goes there. And now, 2 numbers left in this column from us. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, and 8 is missing. 3 and 8, 3 and 8. We have an 8 in this row. No 8 there. 8 should be here and 3 goes there. Okay. 3 and 9, we have 3 now in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here and 9 goes there. 2 numbers left in this row for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is missing, 9 is missing, 8 and 9, 8 and 9. We have 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here and 8 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3, 4 is missing. The 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 4 and 7, 4 and 7. We have 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be here and 4 goes there. Then... Well, we have here 1 and the 3. The other pair in this big square are the numbers. The 1, the 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, the 5, 6 is missing. 2 and 6, 2 and 6. We have a 2 in this column. No 2 there. 2 should be here and the 6 goes there. 1 and a 6. We have a 6 now in this column. No 6 there. 6 should be here and a 1 goes there. 1 and a 3. We have a 1 in this column. No 1 there. 1 should be here and a 3 goes there. Finished in 16 minutes. Well, maybe I talked too much. We solve it again. Definitely a 2 stars. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it all solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 2 regular puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.